Hi, in this video, we'll try to understand the need for using test doubles or mocks and stubs. Have a look at this example. We have a user service class which is dependent on another class called email service. The send welcome email method calls the email service and sends an email with the subject welcome, with the body welcome to the portal, and the email address the same as the one we've passed here. Pause this video for a minute and think about how you would write a unit test for this function. It is difficult to write a test for this method. This function is dependent on the email service. We really don't know how the email service internally works, and we are not sure how to test whether the email service is doing its job or not. This is just a small example. In many large code bases where a class might be dependent on 5 other classes, it becomes really difficult to test simple pieces of functionality because our tests also become dependent on other services. So is there a way to simplify this? Let's look at this diagram. The subject under test here is user service. Email service is a dependency. Our test should ensure that the subject under test is working properly. The job of the test is not to ensure that all the dependencies are working properly. Imagine if you have 20 dependencies. It is not the job of this particular test to ensure that all 20 dependencies are working properly. As long as your user service is calling the email service with the right parameters, we are fine. It does not matter what email service is doing internally. That is not the job of this particular test. How do we test the simple interaction? We can rephrase the interaction as such. We were first trying to check if the email was sent with the right content to the right email address. Instead, we can rephrase it to check if the email service was called with the right content and the right email address. As long as the email service was called with the right parameters, we can say that the user service is doing its job properly. Doesn't matter what email service does internally. We can achieve this by replacing the actual email service dependency with a test email service just within our tests. This test email service can actually be configured by us to record what interactions user service is making with it. For example, if user service is calling test email service 3 times, it can keep a record how many times it was called and what parameters it was called. So this way we can test whether the user service is doing its job or not. This is just a very simplified diagram showing what test doubles or mocks do. We will learn more about it in a lot more detail in the upcoming sections.